In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple roadmap in PowerPoint. We're going to build a clean, easy-to-read roadmap that you can use for project plans, timelines, or strategy overviews. I'll walk you through the full process, from starting with a blank slide to ending with a polished roadmap you can present right away. Start by opening PowerPoint and creating a new blank presentation. On a new slide, choose a simple layout. Ideally, a blank slide, so we have a clear canvas to work on. This helps keep the roadmap uncluttered and focused. If there's any default text on the slide, go ahead and delete it, so all you see is a blank background. Next, we'll create the main line of the roadmap. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and select a straight line. Click and drag across the slide, from left to right, to draw a horizontal line. This line represents your timeline or roadmap path. If you want it perfectly straight, hold down the Shift key while dragging. You can adjust the thickness and color of the line in the Shape Format options to make it stand out more clearly. Now, we'll add milestones along this line. Again, go to Insert, then Shapes, and choose a circle or rounded shape. Click near the line and draw a small circle. This will be your first milestone. With the shape selected, use the formatting options to choose a color that fits your theme. Once you're happy with the size and style, copy and paste that circle several times and position each copy along the line, spaced evenly. These circles will represent the different stages or key dates on your roadmap. Let's label each milestone. Select the first circle, right-click, and choose Add Text, or simply start typing. Enter a short label, such as a phase name, date, or deliverable. Adjust the font size and color so the text is easy to read. Then repeat this for each milestone along the line. Try to keep the labels concise and consistent in style. To provide more context, you can add brief descriptions above or below each milestone. Insert text boxes, position them near each circle, and type in 1 or 2 lines explaining what happens at that stage. This makes your roadmap more informative without overloading it. Finally, take a moment to align everything. Use PowerPoint's alignment tools to make sure your milestones are evenly spaced and your text is neatly lined up. When you're done, you'll have a simple, professional roadmap ready to use in your presentation.